what is turnkey cases? I've heard this word from my colleague, hair transplant surgeon in Islamabad, and he came to me and he told me that few boys and girls, they came to him to do a hair transplant surgery on turnkey basis. I'm surprised, I'm shocked to listen this word. They said to him that they will do everything for himself. He will be sitting in his office and technician will be doing like giving anesthesia, action of the grafts and putting them back. And after doing everything, they will hand over the patient to him and take some money out of that. This is not amazing thing. This is shocking thing. And if it is happening in this part of world, in my country and especially in Islamabad, this is shocking to me, because more than this is not possible to ruin the patients.